this video of 9682. This is a 2011 C6 Grand Sport. Nose has been hit. The rest of it's alright. That dropout might need to go in somebody's hot rod. I don't want to let it run too long because the radiator and everything's hanging around. Rear wide body kit's still good. Front wide body, the fenders might have a little bit of issues. We'll just sell them singles. LS3's fine, 75,000 miles, auto. We got the carbon trim, the air's still cold, 4LT leather dash, but the dash is no good. Alright, we'll put her in gear. So she goes back and forth. Can't drive it, just in case. There's forward. There's reverse. CD player works. Heater controls aren't too bad. Carbon's good. Console lid's nice. Sun visors are good. Rear mirror's good. Cluster works. Alright. Running on decent oil pressure. Let's see if I can get the mileage up for you. 75,301. Alright, that's that. As always, thank you for watching and have your pets spayed and neutered.